Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already have what matters: a Google account and an internet connection. First, on desktop, open a modern browser and navigate to Drive. Google.com. On mobile, tap the Drive app icon. Once there, sign in with your Google email and password. Make sure to complete any two-step verification prompts. This step gives you access to my Drive and shared files. It's the gateway. After signing in, pause to confirm your account name at the top, right, so you're in the right profile. Once inside Drive, learn the layout. My Drive holds your files, shared with me shows items others shared, and recent surfaces what you used last. Create a folder with the plus button or right-click to organize, and drag files from your computer into the browser to upload. Use the search bar with keywords or file type filters to narrow results. Make use of right-click menus for preview, move, or add a star. These actions speed up retrieval and keep things tidy as your storage grows. To finish, decide how you'll access files. Install Drive for desktop to sync folders to your computer, or mark files offline on mobile for no internet access. When sharing, click Share, choose Permissions, View, Comment, or Edit, and copy the link or add emails. Always confirm recipients and permissions before sending. If something goes wrong, try signing out and back in, clearing browser cache, or checking Google Workspace status. These quick checks resolve most access or sync issues and get you back to work.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.